Alright guys, Aaron Tracy here, and we are on the Carnival Liberty getting ready to show you our room 6408.
So they leave in a little envelope. They set it right here when your room is ready.
Yes.
Well, there's first time cruisers, babe. Come on. Nice. As always.
Put some stuff down. It is super nice. Leave my heavy backpack down for a second. We'll start from the forward here. Obviously the door. I don't know if it says on the map there, it's like towards the back. Anyway, here are the closets. So another cover.
Oh, I wonder if this pulls out. This
Tracy.
pulls out to another bed, possibly.
Lots of hangers.
There's another one.
Oh yeah, plenty of space.
And then this one is the good one.
That's the one probably with the shelves, right?
Yeah.
Oh, they don't have a little safe.
It's right here.
Oh, there it is. It's usually in this one over here, this in one of these spots. I thought.
There's the safe.
The safe. Not that we use it.
I was gonna say, what are you putting in there?
Anyway, there's the mirror.
Here's the outlet if you want to show them the outlet.
Oh yeah, there's the European outlet there with the regular one. I have an adapter for that. Plenty of drawer space.
You know, this is only 3 days, so we probably won't use as much, but when we go on, the 7 dayers is when we really use them all. Yep, and then here's the sofa, the little sitting area, the bathroom.
So for like, try to let the camera catch up.
Sorry.
Nice little table. Up on the bathroom. Oh, it's kind of a bigger bathroom than usual. Yeah. Nice long sink. Shower is still smaller than ever. If you forget to bring your shower gel, they provide it for you with the shampoo. Of course, I don't need to worry about that. All right, so I'll link at the bed show still. I just missed the outlets. What I mean is, Mardi Gras on the new ship provides.
Way more, yeah. And then here's
Which is awesome. So they would, like right about over here, there'd be an outlet, and then on the other side there'd be an outlet.
Here's a fridge.
So there's a fridge. She's showing you on this side.
Yeah, a little fridge. It doesn't get very cold.
We hardly use it.
Well, when we bring wine on, we do. We bring white wine. And then here's that safe that we were talking about.
Boy, the TV is ultra small.
Babe, this is an older ship.
Oh, it's tiny little shelving.
Yep.
I'm gonna let you give you that mat to put your luggage on. That's the view we get. So we'll go outside here real quick. Oh yeah. It's a great view of Port Carnival. So that is the room tour here. There's one other little thing I'm going to show you. On the wall, they have these room service tags. Me and Tracy use them pretty much every time we come on the cruise, and I'll show it to you. So what I meant is they hang them up on this little wall right here, and then you take it, you fill it out, you pick out which time you want it to come. We usually pick around 7:30. And what we usually do is go down here and check off the coffee, because that's what we want. We like waking up first thing with coffee instead of
Having to go up to the window and do it.
correct.
Because then you have to put on clothes.
But
Well,
it's,
not jammies. You can't go up in jammies. Is what I meant by that.
but it's super. Like I said, it's super easy to fill out as long as you have your room number. Obviously, we're only two persons, so you put down 2 and just put down your guest name. Put down what you want brought to you. With a small up charge, is they serve your breakfast sandwiches, but the rest of it's free on this list. And you hang it outside the door before, was it 3 a.m., I believe?
I think something like that, yeah.
And they take it, and then they would usually wake you up about 7 o'clock with the stuff you ordered.
Or whatever time that you put in.
Yes, Tracy's right. So that's our room tour. So, yeah,
Excited to be here.
yes, super excited. Let us know what you guys think.
Gosh,
Any
it's
questions or
been since
comments?
August.
Otherwise, thank you for watching.